Okay, let us now wait for everyone to come in. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. Hi, everyone. Ayan, we're already at 32 viewers. Let's wait for the others to come in. Okay. Ayan. Hello guys! Okay, so sa lahat ng mga pumapasok, welcome. I am here today to promote my Regal Studio Presents episode for this Sunday, which is Talking TED. So this will be at 4:15 p.m. And it'll also be on Kapuso Stream. So yan, mag-hi muna tayo sa mga nandito today, sa mga early birds. Hi, Isabel from San Diego, says Tristan Jacob. Hello! Ako, nakita ba tayo nung nasa San Diego kami for Comic-Con? Hello to Jungchi. Hello then to Christine Ocampo. Hello, Theanise. And then, hello to... Sino pa bang nag-hello dito? Erich. Hello, Erich. And to Leia. Ayan. So guys, today pag-uusapan natin ang RSP Talking TED, and it is a very cute episode. So pangalawang RSP guesting ko to, and it's a story about my character, which is Lizelle. And meron ako ditong fur baby na binigay ng aking boyfriend dito sa series na to. And pagkakaroon ng malungkot na pangyayari. Magkakaroon ng malungkot na pangyayari, and yung boyfriend ko dito sa episode na to will pass away, and then maiiwan sa akin si Ted. And si Ted yung pangalan ng aso na maiiwan sa akin. And kasabay ng National Pet Day? Really? Hindi ko alam yun. Hello, shoutout kay Joseph from Isabelsters. Shoutout kay Ate Say, Isa and Maggie. Hello guys. Candy Lee Melendres. Hello. Ayan. So, ako guys, personally, nung narinig ko tong, or nung nabasa ko yung script ng episode na to, sobrang nagustuhan ko to kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I have 11 dogs. So, malaking fur mom ako, and talagang sobrang nakarelate ako sa episode na to. So, I said talaga na I wanna go for it. I love it. And I feel like it's so timely na makapaggawa ako ng isang episode that really highlights kung gaano ka loving ang mga pets. Not just dogs, but pets in general. Kasi, as you guys know, medyo relevant ngayon yung topic ng animal rights, and basically just people sharing how loving their pets are. So, ako, personally, as someone who is a dog parent, I am all for this episode. So, ayan, may mga questions dito. How was it working with the dog? Ang saya, actually, ang saya. Sobrang talino nung dog. Yung pangalan niya in real life is Small. So, sobrang talino ni Small, as in talagang marunong siya mag-blocking, marunong siya mag-stay, marunong siyang mag-bark upon command. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. And first time kong makatrabaho ang isang dog. So, ang talino nila. Hindi siya stressful kasi matalino yung dog na nakasama namin. So, it was fun. Ayan, so magkamustahan naman tayo guys. How have you been? Ako, I have been super great. Nag-Holy Week ako sa La Union. Nakauwi ako after many months of being busy here sa Manila. Nakauwi ako finally. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa Holy Week ko guys. I was able to visit my cousins, my family was also there with us in our house. So, sobrang saya. And every time na nakakauwi ako ng La Union, sobrang saya. Pero ngayon, of course, back to work na ulit tayo. So, back to mga ganaps natin here. And tomorrow, I will be in Pangasinan with Kuya Christian Bautista. We will be a part of a pageant sa Pangasinan. So, we're so excited. Teaser pa lang naiiyak na ako, sabi ni Isa and Mickey. Oo, ako din actually. Reading the script pa lang naiiyak na ako kasi sobrang touching talaga ng story na mapapanood nyo this Sunday. So, kamusta ang naging taping ko sa RSP? yun nga, it was very memorable because I was working with a dog for the first time. And every time I get to work with Regal Studio Presents, it's always a fun time talaga. And, ano pa ba? Ayun, of course, si Direk Easy nakapagdalaw sa set, and working with Direk Tata is amazing. I've worked with him na rin before sa Dear Uge. Yun yung first time na nakatrabaho ko siya. So, sobrang saya, sobrang lang din. Sobrang exciting to work with people I've worked with before, and to work on a story na bago rin sa akin. So, first time mo bang na-meet si Iverson Santos sa RSP, and how was the experience? Ayan, so for those who don't know, Iverson Santos is yung boyfriend ko dito sa Regal Studio Presents na unfortunately wawala sa buhay ni Lizelle, which is my character. Of course, very nice, very professional si Iverson. It's my first time working with him. And yeah, very okay siya katrabaho. Kamusta ka, Duday? Sabi ni Isagel Shipper. I am good. I am very good. Very well rested. Fresh from the beach. Pero hindi pa rin ako nangitim, unfortunately. Gusto ko talaga magkatan. Yun yung goal ko talaga sa La Union, is magkatan. Pero wala eh. Kasing kulay ko pa rin yung pader ko eh. So, try harder ako next time siguro. Or baka dapat longer vacation. Okay. Are you a pet parent? And can you show us your pet dog if possible? Ay, wala yung dogs ko ngayon. Nasa La Union. Nauna kasi akong bumalik dito sa La Union, hindi ko nakasama yung parents ko. So, my dogs, they go wherever my mom goes. So, ngayon na nasa La Union yung parents ko, they're working sa farm, they're doing a lot of errands there. Nandun lahat ng aso, so walang natirang aso sa akin kahit isa. Kahit isa. Walang natira. Lahat sila nag-enjoy sa La Union. So, hindi ko sila mapapakita ngayon, pero kung titignan nyo lang yung feed ko, guys, makikita nyo sila lahat. Okay. So, what is the lesson that our Art SP episode wants to impart sa viewers? Ako, honestly, I think the lesson that our episode wants to impart is, siguro it wants to highlight kung gaano kalaki yung impact ng dogs or ng pets sa buhay ng isang tao. Kasi sobrang nami-misunderstand ang mga pets minsan, ng mga animals eh. People think na because they're not humans or because they're animals, it's a big danger to be with them. Dangerous sila makasama. Baka mamaya mangagat sila, ganyan. And sobrang na-undermine na dapat din alagaan yung mga fur babies natin, yung mga pets natin. So, ako, I hope na ang ma-highlight dito sa episode na to and ang mga mapupulot na aral ng mga tao is, one, na dogs are like humans too, basically. Pets are like humans too. Dapat natin sila itrato na para rin silang tao. Dapat natin sila pangalagaan na para silang tao. Kasi yung impact din nila na mabibigay nila sa buhay mo is sobrang laki, guys. As in, I love my dogs so much. They're like therapy to me. And in the same way, parang ganun din yung mangyayari kay Lizelle sa episode ng Regal Studios. Isa rin sa mga gusto kong quotes na palaging sinasabi ng mga fur baby, ng mga parents, ng mga tao is, yung dogs or yung pets mo sa buhay mo is, maliit na parte lang ng buhay mo. Pero sa aso or sa pet mo, ikaw na yung mundo nila. 'Di ba? Wala na silang ibang mundo aside from you, yung parents nila. So, dapat nating pangalagaan, dapat natin bigyan ng importance din yung mga pets natin. So, apart from that, may another question dito is, may iba pa ba akong project sa GMA na dapat abangan? Yes! Well, of course, All Out Sundays every Sunday yan, guys. And we also have a project upcoming. I have a project upcoming na rin. And di pa pwede sabihin kung ano yun, pero very exciting siya. And very, very new to me. Ayan. So, if you guys have any questions, comment nyo lang down below. Let's see kung may mga questions dito. Shout out kay Savion. Mahirap pala kapag ang nawala mahal sa buhay ay nagsalita sa mismong dog pet in real life. Yes, may reason kung bakit Talking Ted yung title ng episode na to. And very touching siya kasi basically it was Ted, yung aso na to, or yung pet ni Lizelle, siya yung naging tool para maka-reach or para makakontakt ni Lizelle yung pumanaw niyang boyfriend, which is Jacob. So, sobrang laking factor nung dog sa kung paano mag-move on si Lizelle sa grief niya. Okay. Ilan po ang dogs niyo? I have 11 dogs. Ito pa. Mabait po ba si Small? Yes, napakabait, napakatalino, marunong magstay. Hindi ko alam kung paano natitrain yung mga technical na bagay na stay, bark, speak, pick up trash. As in, ang cute kasi yung mga aso ko. Wala. Malalambing lang sila pero hindi sila marunong ng mga tricks. So, sobrang naaliw ako na nakasama ko yung ganong klaseng tao. Aso. Okay, may farm vlog po ba kaming aabangan? Meron. There's one in the works. Pero, sa ngayon, ang mga uunahin kong ibang vlogs is, one, of course, mag-vlog na ako about my businesses. So, abangan nyo rin yun, guys. Magkakaroon ako ng vlog this month about my businesses. And exciting kasi hindi ko pa yun na-feature sa YouTube channel ko. Mare, kailan na malalabas farm vlog mo? Sabi ni Isabel Shaper. Mare, eto na. Marami pang ine-edit. I have to reshoot some things kasi merong mga files na hindi pala nakunan or nakorrupt yung mga ibang files. So, I have to go back patuloon yun to shoot some scenes. But, definitely there will be a farm vlog on the way. Ayan. High five, Isabel. High five. High five, Rose. Okay. Neutered po ba ang mga male dogs? Okay, guys, let's talk about this. Actually, yes, they are. They have to be neutered, guys, kasi dadami sila. And yun ang reason din kung bakit dumami ng up to 11 dogs ang family namin. Nung umpisa, hindi pa sila neutered. Pero we also had din kasi naman the goal na gusto rin namin na mas maparami pa yung dogs namin. So, of course, yung mga na-breed lang na dogs or yung mga nag-mate lang na dogs is yung hindi magkamag-anak. So, that's Pucci and Isay. Pero yung mga litters is we neutered them na right away kasi, syempre, responsible dog parents naman kami. Yes, we have 11 dogs, pero target talaga namin is to have a big family of dogs kasi of course, we don't want them to be lonely. Gusto rin namin na may mga kasama sila. And we just really want a lot of dogs lang talaga. Pero, nung na-reach na namin yung amount na nasabi namin na, okay, ito na yung pinakakaya namin, then, ninuter na namin sila para, syempre, controlled din naman yung litter na. Hindi naman yung every 6 months magkakaroon kami ng additional 5 dogs, diba? Ay, may nag-shoutout dito. May nag-hello. Hello po, Mr. Miguel Tan Felix. Andito po ngayon sa ating live. Hello. Good luck dyan sa iyong work today. Sa iyong guesting today. Okay. Ayan na, wala nang questions. Puro na lang hi daw. Ayan na po, nabasa ko na po. Ayan. Can't wait sa business vlog mo, Isabel. Thank you. Ako din. Excited din ako. Very new sa akin itong business standpoint kasi as you guys know, lawyer talaga yung gusto kong maging nung bata. Wait lang. May papakita ako sa inyo. Speaking of. Okay. Wait lang. May papakita ako sa inyo. Okay. I'm back. Papakita ko lang to kasi pinag-usapan natin ang law school at ang business. Nung bata pa ako, guys, sobrang planner ako. So, I have this notebook. Nahanap ko to when I was 5 years old. Nagsusulat ako dito ng stories. Nagsusulat ako ng kung ano-ano. Ayan, may mga comics pa ako. And then, nahanap ko to. Sobrang cute. Ini-imagine ko yung office ko. Kung ano yung magiging itsura ng office ko someday. Ayan, may sofa lobby. Tapos, grade 5 pa lang to nung sinulat ko to. Or nung meron ako na tong notebook na to. And, saan na ba yun? Nakalagay dito. Ito yung gusto kong itsura ng law office ko. Nilagay ko dito, law office. Ayan ang itsura. So, yan. May proof ako na bata pa lang talaga ako. Gusto ko na maging lawyer. Ewan to. Meron pa nakadescribe. Corridor of law office with me and, my candidates. Bakit candidates? Ayan, Miss Lapid. Oh! Pwede na daw ako maging architect. Naku, wag baka gumiba yung building. Pero cute. Wala lang. Share ko lang. Kasi, may na agad ako. May life journey planner na ako. Grade 5 pa lang ako. Ang tawag ko sa mga kliyente ko nung grade 5 ako is kandidato. O, diba? Pero yun, share ko lang. So, bata pa lang talaga ako, gusto ko na talaga mag-business. Maging lawyer. Ngayon lang ako recently nag-decide na mag-business. So, it's definitely a learning curve for me na magpatayo ng dalawang businesses at the same time. Pero sobrang saya niya, in fairness. And, okay din na nakapag-try din ako ng mga iba't ibang bagay sa buhay ko, diba? Aside from the things that I plan to do when I was young. So, yun, sobrang saya. And recently, guys, ang Maria Isabel's Cakes and Pastries is on Grab. We're on Grab now. So, sa mga malalapit dito sa Quezon City, order na kayo at matikman nyo na ang lasang langit pastries namin. So, we're so excited about that. Hi, Isabel! Kailan kami pwede pumunta sa bakery? This is Denz and Darren. Hello, Denz and Darren! Oh, I got to meet you guys. I got to meet them recently. Thank you guys so much. Sana makapunta, sana makavisit kayo sa bakery. Thank you so much for your support. And may Firefly book din na ipapasign sa akin. Of course, I'm so willing to sign the Firefly book. Kung may mga books kayo, if we get to see each other. And guys, speaking of Firefly also, gusto ko lang din i-plug na ang Firefly ay nasa Amazon Prime this April 30. So, I'm so excited na mas marami ang makakanood ng Firefly because it's such a beautiful story talaga. And, I'm not sure if pwede ko na itong sabihin, pero may papahapyaw lang ako. Kasi may nagtanong kung kailan ang reunion namin ng Voltes 5. Meron kaming announcement soon about Voltes 5 Legacy. And it's very exciting. Hindi ko pa pwede i-announce kasi hindi pa na-announce officially. Pero, basta. Malapit na yan. Very exciting yan. Hello, Sayla! Ayan, this is OMG. Sayla said OMG. Yes, exciting siya. Exciting talaga. Okay. Nag-Firefly watching kami sa Palawan, Puerto Princesa last month. Uy! Oh my God! Gusto ko rin yan. Gusto ko makakita rin ng fireflies. Okay. Alright. Sayla pala. Sayla kasi yung spelling eh. Kala ko Sayla yung pronunciation. Pero yun. Hello, Sayla. Hello. Okay, so guys, as we end this live stream, basically, gusto ko lang din mag-invite sa live, dito sa live na to watch Regal Studio Presents Talking Ted this Sunday, 4:15 p.m. This is a very beautiful story about a girl who goes through all the stages of grief, and napakagandang story ito about the relationship ng isang aso and ng isang owner. And as a fur sobrang nakatouch talaga ako sa nakatouch. Nakarelate talaga ako sa story nito and sana kayo rin. Sana magustuhan nyo guys. Sana supportahan nyo po itong Regal Studio Presents na to. Kasi this really means so much to me and gusto ko lang din kayo pasalamatan guys sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay nyo sa akin. Thank you and I am looking forward to seeing you guys this Sunday. Sana mapanood nyo. Thank you so much. Meron pa bang mga pahabol? Tink and Nato, ayan, wag ka na magtampo. Nagtatampo na daw esophagus ni Tink and Nato. Wag na magtampo yung esophagus mo. So, yun guys. Thank you so much. And see you guys soon. Thank you again. I love you all so much. Isabel, meron ka muscle. Ano? Ito. Meron ka muscle. Bye guys. Don't forget Regal Studio presents Talking Ted this Sunday 4:15 p.m. I love you guys so much. Thank you for spending time with me today and bye-bye.